In the name of Allah, the most beneficent, the most merciful. Assalaam Alaikum. You can draw this in Medibang paint. For creating this, first create 3D multicolor brush. For creating brush, select new canvas with dimensions 500 x 500. Now create a multicolor circle. I've already created, so I've just imported the image from gallery to show how I created it. I imported it twice so I can easily draw the line art. So first I selected the color with eyedropper tool and then start creating the line art. Once the portion is created, then select Fill tool and yes, don't forget to expand the Fill tool. Now repeat previous 2 steps 5 times more to complete the multicolor circle. Yay! The circle is ready. Now remove all the layers except your artwork layer. Select palette tool, then click Add plus button and select multi-brush, then click Select current canvas, then set your brush as shown in video. So 3D multicolor brush is ready. Now click Set, and then you can use the brush. Now change the background and select your brush and create your 3D multicolored text. Kindly like, share, comment, and subscribe my channel. Ta-da! It's so cute! Follow me on Instagram and you can DM for any queries. Thank you for watching.